So, all systems are go. As you can see behind me, we have the high-ab crane, which is going to be lifting the beams off of the lorry down there, and we're going to be staggering them in piles of 5 to 8 out throughout the building, divided by how many beams are going where. It works out as about 4 beams per metre. 2 beams block on the edge, 2 beams block on the edge throughout the whole thing. So the boys have worked really hard. We've got all the drainage in, everything backfilled just in time. So here we go with the first lift. All the block and beam floors are in, the boys have built up all the walls, all of the timber frames going in, we're all ready for next week. We absolutely smashed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and for more videos.